In this quick video, I'll show you how to add funds on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to deposit here. If you want to purchase crypto assets, you can click buy crypto, fiat deposit, and receive crypto. But for example, you wanna deposit crypto and then select your coin, for example, USDT. Then select your network. You can choose any of these networks. And for example, you want to send USDT from MetaMask to Binance. Click here, click send, and then paste the address. Then type the amount of USDT you want to send. Then click next here and pay for the gas fee. Then wait for the transaction to be completed. And if you want to deposit fiat, you can just click here and then choose your currency. For example, Euro. And here are the recommended payment method. You can choose other methods too. And for example, we're going to use bank card. Then you will just need to enter your card number, the expiry date, and the security code, and then click confirm. Then click continue, and then go to your wallet if you have received the euro in your fiat and spot wallet. And if you have any questions about how to add funds on Binance, leave a comment below.